Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
GIT complications of anesthetic agents are nausea and vomiting is the most common post-operative complications. Nausea and vomiting is seen in more than 30% of individuals. Anaphylactic reactions can also be seen, and anaphylactic reactions, the most common cause of anaphylactic reactions is antibiotics. About 53% of anaphylactic reactions occur by antibiotics. The second most common cause of anaphylactic reactions is muscle relaxants. 33% of anesthetic complications. 33% of anaphylactic reactions occur due to muscle relaxants. Third most common cause of anaphylactic reactions is chlorhexidine. 9% of anaphylactic reactions occur due to chlorhexidine.
So, summary. GI effect include nausea and vomiting. Nausea and vomiting are the most common post-operative complications and they account for more than 30%. Whereas anaphylactic reactions, the most common cause of anaphylactic reactions is antibiotics, which accounts for 53%. Whereas second most common cause is muscle relaxants, which account for 33%, and third most common cause is chlorhexidine, which accounts for 9%.
thank you and thank you for watching.